not seeing anyone now?
No. Single.
I mean,
And not ready to mingle.
you're taking a break. Would you date someone younger?
I don't mind.
How
but I
much
haven't-
younger?
ये देखो.
Well, like, what's the
देखो
minimum?
दोनों ने पूछा.
My first photo shoot, I did this bikini. And then my किसने क्लिक किया उसको चप्पल से मालूम चल remember.
What about Zomato, Swiggy guys when they come? Do they also?
आप वही पूनम पांडे.
आपको तो-
हाँ, मैं वही पूनम पांडे हूँ.
आपको तो देखा हुआ.
रोज देखता हूँ.
आपको तो कल ही देखा था मैंने.
कल रात को ही देखा था यार.
So he's trying to stop me.
Why, bro?
What makes a guy awesome?
He should know how to cook vada pav. He should.
वड़ा पाव.
All the vada pav
वाला था happy now.
eligible.
One box
भाई
tick.
बहुत बड़ा कैटेगरी खोल दिया.
ये कंट्री आपको डरा देती है थोड़ा सा. खैर मैं डरने वालों में से नहीं हूँ, वो बात अलग है. बट यार थोड़ा सा संभल के करना पड़ता है. जब आपके ऊपर 30+ कोर्ट केसेस हो जाते हैं ना, तो आपको थोड़ा
Poonam Pandey on Untriggered podcast.
साउंड माइंड नहीं.
This is episode 69.
No, I
अच्छा
just
कभी
want-
साउंड नहीं किया मेरा ना.
I just wanted to say it like it's just like a little surreal.
Affirmation.
पूनम पांडे.
I sound like that.
I mean sexier, but ठीक.
Okay.
Sexy.
हाँ मतलब I have to be polite. No, he's going to ask me
It's
questions.
like the first minute.
Yeah.
No, we wanted to do this for like a while. Like when we started doing this podcast, after a while we started having guests on, and we were thinking of people that we really wanted to have on, and you were one of them because I don't know, like Poonam Pandey is just such an iconic.
तू खाली पूनम बोल.
No, I
Stop saying.
no, I like saying it. I like saying
Don't
it.
say the full
It's a
name.
nice name. It's got a.
It's actually got a very nice ring to it.
Yeah, it's actually very nice. अच्छा ठीक है.
Yeah.
So yeah, now we're here. What's up? What's happening? How's your day been so far?
Yeah.
Huh? As in
As in,
today?
like you woke
Yeah,
up
how
today,
was
what
today's
happened?
day? Like
Yeah, I was sitting in traffic for 45 minutes and then we came here and I had some interviews. I just did, finished, came up, having a coffee. Day was wonderful. Took my dog for a walk in the morning.
Oh, you have a
did my
dog?
workout for Yeah, I have a pit bull.
Oh.
So
Pitbull.
yeah,
Wow. They're so cute. Like
he's very cute. He's the cutest dog on the planet.
Are they like really?
Super cute. Like you can go like kiss on his
Yeah.
face. He's that cute. You want to try?
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
I think aren't they a little like?
no, it depends on how you bring them up.
Of course, but they have the ability.
They have the ability to fuck you up, but they're damn sweet.
Yeah, they definitely have
Yeah.
that. But again, he's right. It's how you raise them.
Have you like trained him to? What's his name?
Caesar.
Caesar. Okay.
Yeah.
Like the king.
Yeah.
Okay.
How old is Caesar?
2 years, 8 months now.
He's
To
a
be
baby.
precise, yeah.
Do you show his pictures to everyone you meet, like a dog
It's a
mom?
wallpaper, na?
Yeah, that's my boy.
Holy shit, it's
Oh.
actually a wallpaper.
Boy.
So proper dog mom.
Yeah. He's my son.
Yeah, I've heard a lot of people do this now. They're like, no, I don't want kids. I'll just adopt a dog.
No, I will have kids in future, but I'm
Okay.
I'm happy with the dog right now. My son, I can say that. Yeah.
Okay. What do you feed him?
कौन सा?
Dog food.
Oh, a pit bull is eating like.
Pitbull से मेरे freedom का क्या लेना?
He said, "What do you feed him?"
What do you feed him?
freedom.
What about your freedom?
We'll get to that also.
She had no idea what's going on.
We'll get to that also.
No, I feed him dog food. You were right. Yeah.
Okay. But shouldn't a pit bull be eating like proper?
He has had everything,
Okay.
but now the doctors have asked me to keep on dog food. So yeah.
I always think of that Tom and Jerry guy.
The big guy.
That used to be my favorite show.
The dog.
Really?
The big dog.
Yeah.
He has a
The
son
big dog.
also. Then his
Yeah.
son fucks around.
Tom and
So
Jerry
this
is
tiny
yeah,
house
that
and
small
like
house.
the growler. Okay, it's crazy.
Yeah. Tom and Jerry is, I think, the greatest cartoon of all time.
Good.
Top 3 at least.
Good. For me, it's the good.
Top 3, I can
Yeah.
say.
Top 3 for
And everyone has seen it. No matter which generation you're
Yeah.
from, you've seen
Yeah.
something. Yeah. I used to think cats and rats and mouses actually like hate each other.
Huh?
for the longest time.
Really?
Yeah. But
They
then-
don't?
Because of the show.
Hmm?
Because of
Yeah,
the show.
I thought they're just rivals. So
But
Cats eat mice
Yeah.
now, but.
cats
do
eat
mice.
everything.
Huh.
Cats will eat people also if you
Yeah.
leave them.
Actually, I don't know. Actually, I don't know if that is true, but I've heard this that if you keep a cat
Yeah.
hungry for a week, you
It'll
know,
eat its owner as well.
Huh. I don't know. Is it true?
It is.
It's true.
Yeah.
But they're very.
I'm so happy I have a dog.
Stories claims are.
No, bro, I've read about
मतलब वो
this.
बात
I've
अलग
read
है
about this.
कि अगर मेरा पिटबुल उसको भूख लगा तो he can eat.
He can, but I don't
He
think
can,
he will.
but he won't do
bites.
that.
Obviously.
Yeah.
You know
Dogs would
what?
never do that.
Pitties, this is what I hate.
Mhm.
So they purposely उनको वैसे train करते हैं ना to fight and to make them
Yeah.
aggressive, you know, purposely, you know, injecting them and all that. So that's how they breed them.
Yeah.
They are actually very,
Very
loving.
calm. And they're very
loving.
docile creatures.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I mean, it's nice to know like if someone comes and they're trying to mess with you, he'll take care
Oh,
of it.
nobody comes to my house. Definitely. There
nobody
there
dares
are
to.
some guys, they try a lot on me. It's like, they're like,
They try to come to your house.
yeah, they're like, hey, why don't you just come for a
Oh,
glass of
okay.
wine or probably to chill? It's like, yeah, you're welcome. I just have a pity.
Oh.
It's like, yeah, why don't we just meet? I was like, okay, like, dude, like, hello. Wasn't born yesterday.
Are there any stalker stories that people who've come to your showed
Yeah,
up your
matlab,
house
it's
and
been, for me, it's been what, 11 years now in this industry. Yeah, I have amazing.
You have some stories to tell.
long-lasting stalkers?
You know, there's a point, you know, that जब कोई stalk नहीं करता तो ऐसा लगता है यार मतलब
मैं relevant.
मैं attention नहीं मिल रहा है यार. But there's like, and then you feel like a diva. I'm like, oh my god, I'm getting so much attention. So even that happens. So, but yeah, when we speak about stalkers, it's not a good thing.
Mm.
I mean, I've
No, of
dealt
course.
with no. So it's fucking spooky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But like, are they like fans who are just really like they want to? I don't
See,
know.
I have no problem if a fan is stalking me. मैं उसको घर पे बुला के मैं से उसके बैठ के मैं खाना खाऊंगी. मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. बट ऐसे कोई डरावना सा आदमी अगर मुझे स्टॉक कर रहा है,
हाँ.
अगर उसके दिमाग में कुछ पक रहा है तो ऑब्वियसली
Definitely पक रहा
है
है.
ना, सावधान रहे. वो शो था ना तो
Yeah.
yeah.
How?
सतर्क रहे.
Crime Patrol. Huh?
We'll have an episode
What a
of that.
show! What a show that was.
Bhai,
My dad would put that show every evening.
Yeah.
I'd come home with my backpack. I was like, Dad, सतर्क रहे. And my dad was like, 7
सतर्क
बज
रहे,
गए.
सावधान
मैंने
रहे.
7-5 अभी तक घर नहीं पहुंची. मैंने डैड ऑन द वे नहीं घर पे पहुंच मेरा क्या शो देख रहे हो क्राइम पेट्रोल.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah, of
Bro,
course.
पूरा घर में ऐसा paranoid माहौल
Yeah.
बन जाता है when that show is on. Everyone's just scared like watching it. और I think they started it to actually like raise
Educate,
awareness,
yeah, to-
but I think they were like show चल
हाँ,
रहा है.
लेकिन
Traumatized
कुछ
an
ज़्यादा
entire-
ही-
Then they traumatized
Yeah.
everyone.
I think then they started making up stories. कि
Yeah, must be.
And they made it less real. Like
हाँ.
they made it
मतलब वो
like
इतना सा होगा और इतना कर दिया होगा.
हाँ.
Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm assuming.
But बोल भी नहीं सकते हैं because in a country like India, there's just so
मत
much
बोलो,
happening.
मत बोलो. कॉफी अच्छी. Let's talk about coffee. प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी.
No, I'm saying there's just a lot
मुझे
of
तो वैसे
people.
इतनी प्रॉब्लम्स होती तो मैं कुछ बात ही नहीं करती.
Can't take the risk.
मौन व्रत ले लिया है मैंने.
Yeah. How can you be scared of controversy now? Like
it's not. Yeah.
नहीं, ये कंट्री आपको डरा देती है थोड़ा सा. खैर मैं डरने वालों में से नहीं हूँ, वो बात अलग है.
Yeah.
बट या थोड़ा सा संभल के करना पड़ता है. जब आपके ऊपर 30+ कोर्ट केसेस हो जाते हैं ना, तो आपको थोड़ा
सतर्क
सतर्क
रहे,
रहना
सावधान
पड़ता
रहे.
है.
30+ court cases.
Yeah.
Is that why you got your sister to become a lawyer? Oh fuck! I think we.
Maybe this is not public
so
information.
fucking honest. That is so fucking true. I was.
You forced her to.
Imagine, 17-18 साल की बच्ची है. This is one controversy. If India wins the World Cup, I'll strip.
Yeah.
बोल तो दिया मैंने.
Yeah.
मुझे नहीं पता था. After a week is like 20+. तभी मेरे पास 20 cases हो गए. 22.
After
And
that
you were
one
18.
statement.
That one statement.
You
when
were
I was
18
18.
at this point.
Just for the
Ima-
statement.
Imagine I was shat in my pants. You're like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, कि छोटी बहन को लॉयर बनाऊंगी.
13 साल के बच्चे को बुलाया.
In-house counsel.
Start studying right now.
ये तू पढ़
It's too late for me. But
Start studying right now.
I just remembered that film तारे ज़मीन पर. तू इंजीनियर बनेगा.
you forced it down.
Lawyer ही बनेगी.
But what were you thinking when you said that? Like, what was the idea behind it? Or there was just no idea. It was like,
She was
नहीं,
supporting the
obviously.
team, na?
हाँ मतलब सपोर्ट ऑब्वियसली इंडियन हूँ तो सपोर्ट तो था ही बट
That's real support.
support तो हम भी करते हैं मतलब.
That's the best way to support.
जितने लड़के हैं ना इस रूम में सबसे बड़ी क्रिकेट फैन मैं थी. मैं हूँ. इनफैक्ट वर्ल्ड कप चल रहा है.
Yes.
Another
बट मैं
statement.
नहीं यार वो 100 साल हो गए यार वो स्टेटमेंट. वो एक ही चीज घिसी पीटी कैसे बोल सकते हैं.
What if we win
This year.
this year?
ज्यादा कुछ नहीं जीत जाएंगे. हाँ
हो
इतना
गया एक
कॉन्फिडेंस
बार.
अच्छा नहीं है पूनम. हाँ सॉरी.
Yeah. नहीं but like I think वो time पे तो ऐसा like this was like the first of its kind. I think it still is.
Dude,
the
it
first.
made me Poonam Pandey.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I'm very grateful to
What were
Mr.
you-
Dhoni.
What were you doing before that?
Sorry,
Before that?
I was in college
Okay.
and then I started modeling.
Mm.
That first 6 months, I thought to get into Bollywood. First month, I was a Glad Rags model. Second month, I was a Kingfisher model. And then I started doing a lot of modeling jobs. And I'm like, dude, ये कितना काम करने से कुछ हो तो नहीं रहा है. Like, you know, how to get into this bloody Bollywood. It is so
Yeah.
fucking difficult.
Yeah.
Imagine आज तक अभी तक बैंड बजी पड़ी है. It's very difficult. मतलब अभी नहीं, but हाँ. तो ऐसे कुछ करते हैं, कुछ you know, then I कुछ करते हैं.
So this happens. You like say this. Then we
What,
actually
you said
win.
this on Twitter or where? Where did you say this?
Yeah, on Bombay Times.
Oh,
On
so
Bombay
it
you,
was
you
a
went to
news
the
article.
you
Yeah,
went to
it
the
was a-
newspaper and you were like this. I want to say that.
हाँ, yeah, I
okay.
And they
connect. I
printed the
connected.
article.
हाँ मतलब ऐसा आर्टिकल कोई क्यों ही छोड़ेगा.
Yeah.
Yeah.
है ना. आज भी कोई बोलेगा तो people will put it up.
Yeah.
Quite मसालेदार no. I will strip.
Yeah.
Imagine in a country like India.
And then
Today I'm thinking like, what balls? Like,
Yeah.
you know, seriously.
But that's because you were young also, na, that time.
I mean, not that I'm quite old. I mean, I would still manage to pull off something like that. But yeah, matlab, like I said earlier, after when you go through so
Yeah.
many court cases and so many Mahila morchas and politicians running after your ass, it's like
Yeah.
you don't want to, you know, you're like,
down that
okay,
side.
like, dude, मैंने murder नहीं किया, dude, like, chill,
Yeah.
bro, मैंने crime नहीं किया,
Yeah.
you know.
And you said I'll do
All
it.
I'm doing is I'm entertaining.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they love me.
That's an entertainment.
You know?
Yeah.
That's my videos. ऐसी थोड़ी ना तो बिकते हैं ना तो.
Yeah. Yeah.
Exactly.
But how did you get in this space of like this is the kind of content I want to do? Like how and when there was no one doing it here.
No, that happened when I stopped getting work.
Okay.
It was very fucking difficult because I mean I don't want to sound senti and you know वो गंदा वाला, but yeah, there were jobs were just coming. यहाँ तक आते थे and then I would get a call, you know, you've been replaced. You know, they wanted little brighter skin. They say, what do you mean brighter skin? Dude, we're Indians. Like,
Yeah.
look,
Yeah.
you know, like. तो गुस्सा है तो मैंने कि ठीक है, गुस्से से मतलब क्या ही कर सकते हो आप लाइफ में.
Yeah.
And then this was the only thing that came across me and I started it. Yeah. Yeah.
That is like it's so weird that if the same thing wouldn't happen today, I think. Like I think utna to change हुआ है, like that obsession with fair skin and bright skin.
बहुत change हुआ है. I mean, imagine I would post sexy pictures. Technically, I was the first influencer.
Yeah.
I would post sexy pictures on Twitter and that's how I would get, you know, on the trending list. Literally every now and then. And I can see every chick on the planet now on Reels, on Instagram. Literally every
same.
chick, you know, doing all sorts of water dance. That
Yeah.
You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying?
It's a genre now. Like
Yeah, it's a genre.
Now it's a form of entertainment.
Yeah, हाँ, मतलब the transition, मतलब you know, so it's quite interesting to see that change. मैंने जब चालू किया था तो people were like, how can you do this?
Yeah.
अब रोक के दिखाओ. अब तो कितनी सारी लड़कियां हैं, अब तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते
किसको रोक सकते हैं अब?
नहीं, बस it's freedom of bloody speech, like you want
Expression,
to
freedom of
expression,
expression.
yeah, you have to, you can wear what you want, don't want to wear, do whatever, it's your fucking clothes. How does it matter?
Yeah.
Unless and until if you're not creating a fucking crime, अगर आप तकलीफ दे रहे हो किसी को, किसी का बैंक लूटा है, किसी के माँ बहन को गाली दी है, कुछ वैसा किया है, तो आप बोलो ना, आवाज उठाओ. एंटरटेनमेंट की दुनिया है, उस पे भी
Yeah.
आप आके उंगली करते रहोगे कि ऐसे नहीं कर सकते, तो क्या करे बोलो.
No, it's the logic
इतना ऐसे रखते हो दबा के.
doesn't add up क्योंकि the person who wants to consume content like that
Yeah.
ऐसे pretend नहीं कर सकते कि वो content है ही नहीं.
नहीं, कंटेंट सब कंज्यूम करते. That's
Yeah.
the thing. That's why these girls are making videos. And that's why I started putting those pictures 10 years
Yeah.
back, na?
Yeah.
Because I was trending. So yeah.
Then how did life change suddenly after
अरे
that?
बहुत मस्त लाइफ है.
Yeah.
बहुत मस्त है, बहुत मस्त है. I enjoy my fan following. I enjoy that people just come to me. They're like, dude, you're this tigress, and you are so fucking alpha and this and that. सुन के अच्छा लगता है, that कि ठीक है. See, I would not. I mean, honestly, I would not say कि showing your tits means you're an alpha. No, that's not how it is. It is whatever you feel like doing, and you're doing it without giving a fuck about anybody on this
Yeah.
planet. And of course, you respect your parents meanwhile. Of course, I had fights with my parents. Obviously, you know how parents are. There was time my mom would not talk to me, but now she loves me. She's like, she's understood कि हाँ मेरी बेटी ऐसी ही है. She's cheat नहीं किया, किसी को तकलीफ नहीं दी, बाकी मैं अपनी दुनिया में करती रहती हूँ अपनी चीजें. मैं थोड़ी ना तो यहाँ पे. Anyway.
No, that takes a lot because obviously it's not something that they're used to or something they're prepared for.
Yeah. It's very unconventional.
हाँ, हमारे लिए like when we wanted to do this, our parents are like, "What are you doing? You guys just talk, whatever." So for you, I can't imagine like.
Imagine that too from
The
a Pandit,
conversation, yeah.
typical Brahmin family. My
Okay.
entire family, they all wear घूंघट. Entire family, मतलब झुक गए एक बार तो 5 मिनट तक आप खड़े नहीं हो सकते because इतने पैर छूने पड़ते हैं नीचे. I'm not serious. I'm not. So in that family, my first photo shoot, I did bikini, and then my mom. किसने क्लिक किया उसको चप्पल से मारूंगा. I still remember.
Did she ask it as a male photographer or female photographer?
Yeah, she did. ये किसने, कौन था? आदमी था कि औरत थी? आदमी था. कौन था इसको चप्पल से मारोगे? Like dude, I was wearing
chose to do
bikini. वो तो बेचारा क्लिक कर रहा था. Anyway.
Oh, that is.
Bro,
I'm trying to like put it all together because it's a little hard to like just imagine that conversation also. But like, do you think because your family was so conservative, it kind of made you wanna like get out of that?
Rebellious.
Huh.
Could be. Because not in a lot of ways, but in some ways I would say yes. I mean, I was always, this daydreamer, मेरे को ये करना है, मेरे को वो करना है in my school times. I was a very quiet, introvert child. Imagine me saying that, introvert. So,
Then when did it all change?
I think 17,
17, 18.
World Cup.
World Cup.
World Cup changed
World
everything.
Cup के time में she was like, now I'm an extrovert.
But
मैं
like,
दिखाऊंगी रजनीकांत like total.
but you always wanted to become like an actor or like an
Always.
entertainer.
Always. But वो अभी तक नहीं पूरा हुआ है. Imagine, सब कुछ कर लिया life में यहाँ पे आके, all sorts of profession. Been an erotica star, did all the controversy, showed my body, did everything. Trying to woo them, did all sorts, every damn fucking thing. But it is so fucking difficult to get into that
Circle.
circle.
yeah.
That circle is so tight.
But अभी तो with
काश मैं भी किसी की मामा चाचा भाई कुछ तो होती यार मैं.
Nepo scenes.
नहीं लेकिन actually पता है after Kangna Ranaut talking I'm seeing changes. The changes that you see is on on web series.
Yeah.
I can say that I've been getting a lot of offers from web series. Films का अभी तक था पता नहीं, but web series, a lot of offers.
Yeah.
So, you know, and I'm loving the fact that they're considering me.
Mm.
जहाँ पे इतने 10-11 साल से, you know, that you just have to prove yourself
Yeah.
in all sorts of way. You know, that look, I'm pretty, look, I'm this is. I mean, मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं pretty हूँ तो हाँ.
No, for sure.
Yes.
A lot of people think so
Yeah.
too. So,
Ta-da, diva moment.
hey, but like, what are they looking for? If they're casting for a movie, obviously there's characters, and if you fit that character,
You know what I've been doing recently? I'm doing my acting workshops every day, like religiously every day, 2 hours. I'm doing a play. It has already won national award.
oh wow,
So Sushant Singh Rajput did that play earlier in 2014.
okay,
May his soul rest in peace. Yeah, and I'm doing that now. So maybe शायद उस play के बाद मतलब अब तो देख लो भाइयों बहनों, अब तो देख लो.
नहीं अभी at least with OTT, like the movies that come out on OTT, there's just so much more content being made.
Yeah.
So, and that's why they get to explore like different zones where a new possibility of different style of characters opens up. Because
You know
for
the best part
Bollywood,
about OTT, they don't care who's who are you, whatever,
Yeah.
कौन किसका
They
क्या.
launch also.
You are a good actor, done. Aja.
Yeah.
I am going out like right now. I mean, you know, I know I can't speak about it. So
Okay.
NDA.
Yeah, ठीक है.
ठीक है.
Yeah, but OTT has made the world a lot smaller. Like now everyone has an opportunity to do something.
Yeah.
yeah,
There's so many actors
Yeah.
now all across India. Na? We all have our dreams कि
Yeah.
हमको ये करना है वो करना है. अगर सिर्फ गिने चुने 200-300 लोग ये चीजें डिसाइड करेंगे पूरे इंडिया भर की करियर तो गलत है ना.
पर वो तो हो रहा है ना.
अब नहीं हो रहा.
अब कम हो रहा है.
अब बहुत कम हो रहा है.
yeah. But I mean, before there were just these two characters that they needed. One like very pretty girl who falls in love with this very super masculine guy. Like
Yeah.
those were the two roles.
And
So
बाकी
if you
तो
don't
हो
fit
जाएगा.
that, then as an actor,
You're never going to make it there. Yeah.
you will do movies, I think. Like,
Yeah.
obviously, there's a lot. Bollywood, there's at one point, there were like 7-8 films releasing every week, and everything had an audience. Abhi, all of that has gone on OTT,
Yeah.
and only
Now
the big
the-
films come.
And movies have become like extremely good. Like
Yeah.
full on competition, you can see, you know.
Yeah.
देख मैं जीतता हूँ. That's what's happening.
Who do you
और
like?
उस वजह से हमको अच्छा content मिल रहा है. हाँ.
Who do you like? Who do you watch? अभी के movies.
I watch everything. Yeah. There's nothing in specific that I would like. Like the other day, I was watching this beautiful show, Kala Pani.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God, those actors.
Mm.
Those actors. I wish I would know his name right now. But I was watching it last night only. And I was in awe.
Mm.
What performance.
Yeah.
The biggest of the biggest, I mean, with respect to them.
Yeah.
But, you know, nowhere close to this sort of performance.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
fucking real.
Being a star and being a good actor is
It's totally
it's
two
completely
different things. Yeah.
You can just be a star because you're a
No, but the thing is, you know, you can be a good actor first and then be a star.
yeah.
Yeah.
But what happens that people they want to run नहीं पहले stardom ले लेते हैं, ये कर लेते हैं. Stardom में थोड़ी सी moves, 2-3 moves कर लो and then you know that's no. Look at Brad Pitt, look at Johnny Depp, like you know they're actors and
Yeah.
stars. So yeah,
Brad Pitt is so my favorite.
another level. Oh my God.
And he can do anything.
Any literally, my God. I mean, acting workshops. He shows you some clips. You know, every fucking movie he's
done
like it's a
something
different
new.
person altogether.
Yeah.
The body language, everything is different. Anyway, so that's what's been happening on my acting.
Do you have like a favorite actor who you
Like I said, I've this person from Kala Pani as of now.
Okay.
I
Okay, is your
Your favorite keep changing.
I always keep on like it always keeps on changing. I don't wanna
Stick to one.
Nah. No.
do you have a favorite movie? Favorite movie though I don't think anyone
no
has
one
like
has
a
one
the,
हाँ यार एक्चुअली
movie-
मतलब हम इतनी
Yeah.
सारी चीजें
हाँ.
देखते हैं ना ना वेब OTT ने तो मतलब
सब कुछ इधर
बुफे लगा दिया you know.
okay
So,
like a comfort movie that
Yeah.
you watch you're like you can watch it 10 times 15 times.
अंदाज अपना अपना.
Oh, classic.
That's a-
We're actually going to get
Funny.
that poster on the studio.
Yeah, I like that. childhood
Yeah.
favorite.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That movie actually didn't do well in theaters, you know.
Yeah, but
It like
what
flopped
a
big time,
yeah.
and then when the CDs came out, that's when it
There are a lot of movies like
became
that
very famous.
that people don't go to watch, and then everyone's like, oh, it was so good. Then when it comes, वो time पे
TV
तो
पे तो हर रोज
DVD.
आता था, bro. I remember seeing it almost every day on TV.
Really?
Yeah, it used to come so often.
TV
नहीं,
was like OTT
नहीं,
that time.
टीवी पे वो फिल्म सबसे ज्यादा आती थी ना,
सूर्यवंशम.
सूर्यवंशम. Oh, freak.
But that
Yes,
was-
yes,
bro, because we
yes,
all
yes,
saw
yes,
it.
Amitabh Bachchan throwing
many
that.
times.
Oh my god.
I haven't watched that movie out of
That's all I
stubbornness.
could see right
Same,
now.
same.
Bro, you should watch it once, but
नहीं,
one time
वो
watch तो
इतने
है.
बार दिखाया, then I was like,
Hey,
देखना ही नहीं है.
सूर्यवंशम तो
Yeah,
मतलब
I don't know how
You
it
should
used to
watch
come
it
every
once,
day. Like
but they used to show it.
yeah,
Just-
They used to show it almost every day.
every week. नहीं, every week था वो.
week था.
हाँ, every week था.
गोलमाल भी
मेरे को
दिखा
पता है ना, मेरे डैड.
Only
two
petrol
things.
के बाद सूर्यवंशम.
Yeah. CID was also there, always on
CID
TV.
तो was my god.
हाँ, perpetually.
CID मस्त था. I don't know, तुम लोग तभी पैदा हुए थे कि नहीं? आहट.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
थे
we
ना
were
तुम
there.
लोग? Okay.
I just like a horror show.
Horror.
ना.
मेरी
Yeah.
बहुत फटती थी, but
Even that फिर कोई
Dude,
है.
it, oi, freak. That's one
I used to get very scared of all of
spooky
those.
one.
yeah.
So change
और
the
ये सब
channel.
10 बजे के बाद आता था ना, 10 बजे 11 बजे.
The latest film, the horror film, my favorite. हाँ, मेरी favorite film, Smile.
Smile. Is
Have
it
you
like
watched
a-
it?
No.
You like
No.
horror? Watch Smile.
I don't know.
I don't know why I'm promoting it, but you gotta watch Smile.
What kind
She's
of
so
horror?
happy with it. bro. Smile.
Trust me.
No, I'm very scared of horror movies.
I don't
तुम लोग अलग-अलग रूम में सोते हो ना?
हाँ.
हाँ.
मूवी देखो.
नहीं, but
Everyone in their own room.
there's different kinds of horror, na? Like there is some horror which they just show you a lot of like disgusting things, and there is some horror which they won't show anything.
Dude,
It's just-
Smile, spooky as fuck. Trust me.
भूत है क्या उसमें?
देखो.
फिर क्या है?
आज
No,
रात को
but like-
आज रात को देखना.
ठीक है.
ठीक है चलो.
कैसे पूनम पांडे ने रेकमेंड किया था.
पूनम पांडे.
Do you like horror films?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I love it. I just like watching it like this behind the pillow.
So I have a difficult time watching horror films because I just don't believe it. It's
No, I believe too much in it.
नहीं ठीक है ना. We
Like, do
don't
you
have to believe it. You know,
but
watching horror movies can burn so much of your calories.
yeah.
है ना? तो उसी हिसाब से देख लेना है. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? ठीक है ना,
No,
entertainment.
I'll be more scared if I believed in ghosts.
Hmm.
Then I
You
would be-
believe?
Not really.
Let's not talk about ghost. Because that will scare the man. Yeah.
But
See,
do
now
you-
she's
it
scared.
sounds like you do.
Now she's scared.
Yeah.
It
I
sounds
am.
like she does.
Yeah, I do.
Then how can you enjoy horror movies?
Because that's why I like it.
That's what I was saying. Na?
It's
Yeah.
too scary, but like
It's nice. It's spooky. It's fun.
डर में रहना अच्छा लगता है.
But why do you believe in? Have you
मस्ती
seen
यार,
anything?
मस्ती. इतना रोज रोज का लाइफ हम लोग
Yeah.
काम मारो तो कुछ तो मस्ती करो. Any fucking thing. I mean, who cares?
But have you ever like had an incident like a paranormal?
मुझे क्यों ऐसा मेरी फीलिंग आ रही थी मुझे ऐसा कुछ पूछेगा बट नहीं ऐसा कुछ
नहीं?
नहीं हुआ नहीं. Fortunately.
Oh no. I don't know. I think even if ghosts did exist, they'd be like normal,
Chilling.
like nice, huh? I don't think they'd wanna
I don't know. I've seen
bother
once.
you.
Can we not talk about ghost?
Okay, ठीक है.
She's
Yeah.
too scared.
Or vampires and zombies. No?
Zombies so khair I mean all made up shit. So vampires.
We were
Everything made up, no, I
we
mean.
were watching Go Goa Gone. Like
Ah,
2 days
I
ago.
The
like
other
that
day.
film.
Yeah.
I like that film. It's hilarious.
It's a very fun film to
Yeah.
watch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There are a few films like that. Like even this one that we watched.
These old scary
Delhi?
movies, like old. You know where they. I don't know. I'm sure. नहीं देखा तुम लोग ने?
I don't
How?
watch scary movies.
Yeah.
No, it's funny.
Oh, you're talking about scary movie?
Yeah,
yeah,
Oh,
of
scary
course.
movie.
Yeah.
Scary
Yeah.
movie 1, 2, 3.
Yeah,
that
देखा है
was-
ना,
those
हाँ.
are too good.
Charlie
No,
Sheen.
it's
Charlie Sheen
I
used
don't
to
know
be the
which one it
best.
was, but
उसके
Yeah.
clips कभी कभी आते हैं YouTube
Yeah.
पे. Just like
Was The thing is, when I first saw Scary Movie on TV, I thought it's actually a scary movie. So the first 3-4 times I skipped it. And some friend of mine told me, no bro, it's a spoof. And I obviously didn't believe him. Then after I watched it, then the next day we go to school.
It
everyone
is
was-
fucking funny. Like, I can watch it
too
even
funny.
today and
Yeah.
laugh.
Dude,
Super funny.
spoof movies are my favorite, like a favorite genre that I have.
India में है
Underrated.
कोई ऐसा?
India, I don't think we have spoof movies.
Nahin,
Not
there's only
really.
this one.
Not
Just
really.
Which one?
the zombie one, the Go Go
Ah, the
Go.
Go
That
Go
was a
God,
little
yeah,
funny.
yeah.
Apart from that, no.
Twilight had one spoof movie, dude. They made fun of the entire vampire thing.
Where
What's funny?
everyone is just
That
I
like
was-
think
white,
Twilight itself was a spoof movie.
Bro, kids were really into Twilight.
Yeah.
I mean,
वो मेरे
girls
स्कूल के
were
like all the girls were like oh Edward.
Edward or Taylor.
Were you a Twilight girl?
No,
No.
Okay.
no.
Thank God.
Who was your like teenage crush? Like
Trust me, I don't know how you'll react, but I will say Sunil Shetty.
Sunil
Sunil
Shetty.
Bro,
Shetty.
that's an attractive man. Yeah.
Very attractive.
Apparently,
still
one
jacked.
of my friend, I told her, I was like, dude, like, I saw his clip recently. I was like, dude, he still looks so hot. I was like, Poonam, like, you know, you can change. Abhi to tu badi ho gayi. I'm like, dude, look at him. He still
But
looks
he's
so
become
handsome.
very daddy now. Like, you can tell, bro. It's just true.
Oh yeah, I was supposed to. I was like, I'm gonna give him a shot.
I think he looks better
On
now.
behalf of you.
Did you find him attractive in Hera Fairy?
No. You know, the salt and pepper look is such a turn on, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even this guy, Milind Soman.
Oh, let's not go there. Okay, another coffee. Oh my god, seriously, like, I am a diehard fan of these sort of guys. So beautiful, so beautiful.
He's though I think.
Like man, you know.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Old Spice, man. He actually was
Not
the
sponsored.
face of Old Spice in India.
What, is he known as what? Like an
He's a
actor or
model, I think.
Model.
Athlete, right?
Model, actor, athlete.
Dude, he was with me in Kingfisher when I was doing
Yeah, I know.
Kingfisher.
I was
na?
gonna say that you must have
And
worked
I
with
was,
him.
I was like 18-year-old bacha. I'm just looking at him like this. It's like, wow. Like, Bhagwan swayam prakat chuke hai mere samne. You know, it was that.
Yeah. Kingfisher used to do that calendar, no?
Yeah.
That was the main.
Yearly calendar.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
That
that
was
was
not their main business.
no, it was a big thing. It was a big thing.
Yeah, it was a very big thing when that
It
come.
was.
Yeah.
I mean, Kingfisher, I still remember when I was in Kingfisher, girls were like,
Yeah.
when I did Kingfisher, when it came in there, oh, you're a Kingfisher model. I was like, wow. Again, the diva feeling, you know, it just feels fucking awesome that you've done something good anyway.
Kingfisher ने main चीज पे तो ध्यान नहीं दिया.
They were focusing on everything else.
उन लोग को है ना, उन लोग को बियर बनाना, उन लोग को प्लेन नहीं बनानी चाहिए थी. खुश थे ना,
Yeah.
बना रहे थे, पी रहे थे, खुश थे लोग.
फिर F1 team भी ले लिया. Started to go everywhere.
Oh,
Eccentric.
they've made a documentary about this
Yeah.
on Netflix. About.
He shouldn't have got into that. He shouldn't have.
I think he just started
Competence,
dreaming.
circle of competence. मतलब क्यों? You know, if you're good at something, do that.
Yeah. I don't know. He had his thing, but thanks to him for Kingfisher calendar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's
Bro,
yeah.
we were so young,
Yeah.
and that's when we had just. I think when the calendar was going on, it was like when we had just started thinking about girls.
Yeah, I think we were like 13, 14.
Yeah.
Well,
so we were
yeah.
like, okay, then this is.
Wow.
Just discovered a lot of things in that age. Yeah.
Yeah, through Kingfisher. Why did that?
Hmm?
You seem like you were.
I went somewhere, but I came back.
Okay. Where did you go?
Tell us where you went.
Share with the rest of the class also.
छोड़ो
It's
छोड़ो.
like that child is lost
ये
and the
ये
teacher
ये
stand
बच्चों
up.
की बच्चों की बात नहीं है, जाने दो.
Okay.
That's what it's come down to now.
No, we are not that young.
Yeah,
also.
do you-
I mean, you're 25-year-old ना. हाँ,
Yeah,
you're
we're
man.
adults.
हाँ, तुम तीनों मतलब 3 of like 25, all of you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How is that possible? Like 25, like same school.
Actually, we're born almost on the same day. We both are born on the same day, and
Yeah.
he's like just a day
5th
before
July.
us.
I don't know why we're exposing
Yeah.
personal information.
It's just your birthday, bro. It's
You
not
said
like-
I can
yeah.
ask you questions.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
I was born on the 5th of July. These two were
Seventh.
born on the
7th of
7th.
July.
And we didn't meet at like when we were children, but we met like after school.
Yeah.
We met after school, all of us.
I'm hoping hospital में मतलब आधे भाई what's up वो तो नहीं हुआ
Podcast
था.
शुरू करा तुम तीनों बड़े होके.
I think we were born in different cities, all of us.
Yeah.
I was born in Pune.
You?
Hubli, it's a city near Bangalore.
Oh,
Mm. I was born in a
Iran.
different
in Iran.
in
yeah.
Iran. Yeah.
Where were you
Same.
born? Poonam?
Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Born and brought up.
Oh, you've lived here all your life? Bombay is, I don't
What's
know.
it like,
I don't-
but like growing
yeah.
up in Bombay?
Awesome. Fucking awesome.
Good.
Like wherever I travel, I want to come back home just to eat vada pav.
Mhm.
Tell us some good vada pav places. We've been here for 5 months.
So there
we
is
don't know.
one near Actria Mall in
Mhm.
town. That is like the famous one.
Hmm.
There is one in Dadar. अभी नाम ही नहीं याद आ रहा एक सेकंड. नहीं यार अशोक नहीं दादर. Very 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 famous name. My college days I used to Kirti.
Hmm.
Kirti. वो एक बहुत मस्त है. You should try that.
Yeah, I don't think we've had Mumbai vada pav.
Oh,
since
you
we've
Yeah,
should.
we've
moved.
never had Mumbai vada pav.
But make sure you have it at the right place.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's everywhere. So, if you're surrounded by so much competition, how can you make bad vada pav in Mumbai?
No, there are people who
There will
make
be, no, people who
the
make.
worst vada pav. So yeah.
Pune vada pav is also decent.
Yeah, matlab,
Yeah, it's pretty good.
it's up there.
Pune
Pune ka
misal.
misal is the
Dude, Pune ka poha and misal of
Misal.
course. Oh, to die for. To die for. I'll be going to Pune very soon.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm already thinking in my head, like poha, misal.
Yeah.
A typical Maharashtrian, no, in a way.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Born
Is
and
that your
brought up, so.
go-to breakfast?
Pretty much, yes. Poha to matlab 100%.
Hmm.
Yeah.
And what are you vegetarian?
Yeah?
So omelette and all, no?
No.
Right? You've
No.
always been vegetarian?
Yeah.
Hmm. I thought otherwise, like these celebrities suddenly become vegetarian out of
नहीं
nowhere on
यार,
Instagram.
मेरी
Why?
मेरी माँ ने मुझे पांडे के घर पे पैदा किया तो हम लोग obviously never had interest in non-veg. Not that I've not tried. I've tried it in my college days once. I didn't like it.
Only once.
हाँ मैंने करा try because you know how friends are like
Yeah,
ये
yeah,
करना
difference, yeah.
पांडे
Yeah.
तू कर try.
पनीर
And-
समझ के खा रहे
I was like,
Yeah,
oh, like I
fucking-
can't. I'm happy
Yeah.
being vegetarian.
So what's-
Very happy.
But your options are so limited.
Who
in
told you?
vegetarian food.
How?
I tried being vegetarian for a few
How
months.
कभी हवेली पर I will make you have a bloody good stuff. Yeah.
like what is an exotic vegetarian dish?
For me,
Broccoli or something, bro.
no, that is something I prepare.
Hmm.
So yeah, I mean, the way I prepare bruschetta and the way I prepare my pesto sauce. Yeah, the way I do things. That's something my go-to thing. Yeah.
Yeah, if you go out of if you go out of your everyday like vegetables, there is a lot of
Yeah.
possibility. I think.
A lot.
Yeah, but you'll have to cook yourself then.
No, I have a chef, but I prefer cooking myself also.
Hmm.
Like today morning, I was thinking to make pulao, but then नहीं आप जाओ मैं बनाती तो okay.
Hmm.
Yeah, I actually love cooking. That's such a beautiful meditation.
Yeah.
अब भूल जाते हो पूरी दुनिया क्या बोल रही है क्या हो रहा है. It's like fuck you all, you know.
Yeah.
Just yeah.
Pasta. Just
अरे pasta, misal pav, paratha, every damn thing. Yeah,
Oh, so you're good at cooking.
very good. Imagine it was in my college days. उसके बाद that's why I ran into modeling ना because रिश्ते आना चालू हो गए थे. मैं मन में बोल रही पागल है. पूनम पांडे तुझे पता भी है तो किससे शादी करने वाला है. साइक्लोन आएगा तेरे घर पे चूड़ियां तोड़ेगा.
खुद.
Seriously. So I just got my college and my mom was like नहीं बेटा हम अभी तो मतलब शादी प्लान कर लेते हैं ना हम यूपी वालों में हम थोड़ा जल्दी होते आपको तो
So
खाना
you
वाना
went to
भी आता
Bombay
है.
times then.
मतलब मॉम मतलब वो आपका उधर मेरा अभी मेरा इन लड़कों को एंड दे एक्सेप्टिंग मी कि हाँ हाँ लड़की बहुत सुंदर है एंड आई एम लाइक वाह अब क्या करूं मॉडलिंग
times?
मॉडलिंग बिकिनी फोटो में इससे करोगी शायद नहीं इससे नहीं इसको
That's a smart way to get around
बट this is so I don't understand this concept अभी तक समझ में नहीं आया मेरे when you want to marry a chick
Mm-hmm.
you want that lady exactly like your mother type, which is beautiful,
Yeah.
you know. But if a girl is wearing bikini, you would never want to marry that girl.
Who are these fucking idiots?
Or if she's posing nude,
Yeah.
you would judge her immediately.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, she's posing nude. She must be sleeping with, you know, all sorts of people. She must be this. She must be that. Why? Why judging people? तुमने क्या उखाड़ा बेटा लाइफ में जो तुम बैठ के दुनिया को जज कर रहे हो? You know,
But I
it's-
feel things are changing now.
I mean,
As compared
in
to
a lot of
yeah.
ways, the kind, I mean, 10 years, I know, my God, I have fought. Today, so like, it's become so casual now. Chicks are posting photos, sexy
Yeah.
photos. It's become very casual. When I started, I was getting judged from every second person on the planet. And I was like, dude, I like it.
Yeah.
You know, I have a beautiful body. Very beautiful body. So yeah, I like to show it. तुझे क्या problem है? तेरी body अच्छी नहीं होगी शायद.
Yeah.
You know, so anyway.
No, it's like you took shit for everyone so that everyone can do
नहीं
it now.
नहीं
वैसा.
मतलब I would not say that.
Yeah.
They all are taking their own shits and their own praises. But yeah, I mean, I started quite early, so maybe that was.
You were ahead of the curve.
Yeah.
Could say that, yeah. Can say that, yeah.
I mean, it's different, thoda, because yeah, I mean, if you're looking for a life partner, it's okay to have preferences, but like not to a point of judgment. If you don't want to marry someone, you don't want to marry them for whatever reason. You have your own reasons, but like it's the assumptions that's where the problem starts. You're like, oh, if she's like this, then she must be like
She
this.
must be like this.
It's okay to look at someone and be like, okay, this is not what I want as a partner. That's completely okay. If you want a conservative girl, cool, go for that. But
Yeah, but it's very funny, you know, when I would go out dressed the way I've dressed and, you know, the way I am. And people were like, oh, you cook? I was like, yeah. It's like, oh, you cook? So I'm like, क्यों मैं
Why is it so
cooking नहीं
surprising?
like, हाँ मैं cooking नहीं कर सकती क्या? So yeah, I mean, assumption in all sorts of ways
Yeah.
people carry. So yeah, for girls like us or for a girl like me, sometimes these things it become a little difficult. Not that I give a fuck about it,
yeah.
but
Yeah.
yeah,
What has it like affected your relationships?
a lot. Yeah, of course. He's like, hey, insecure fuckers, yeah. मतलब मैं तुझे खुद की बंदी पे भरोसा नहीं है तो मैं क्या करूं? अरे तू भी चूड़ियां तोड़ नो seriously. मतलब imagine if you're not trusting your own girl,
Yeah.
what will you do in life? है ना? You should. ठीक है,
Be
you should be
able to.
proud कि you're dating someone so hot. Or
Yeah.
maybe you're someone who is like this.
Yeah.
But that doesn't mean that I will go out and, you know, do whatever. It just commitment is commitment at the end,
Yeah.
boss. You ऐसे ही जाके commitment थोड़ी ना तो कर देते हैं किसी को.
No, I think insecurity though, like it's like guys don't believe that they deserve someone that attractive. If they're with
I
someone who's
suppose so. That is
Yeah.
actually like why.
yeah.
Sometimes I think it does happen.
Sometimes
Yeah.
askme.com all the time.
हाँ, but yeah, fair.
So then what? Like you just have a lot of fights. Ki,
A lot
Yeah.
of fights. Like my ex, he was like, yeah, I'm going to wear this t-shirt like what I'm wearing right now. If I was in a relationship right now, you can't wear this.
But they're
what-
So
Controlling,
something controlling.
But
My
if
ex
someone is
was a
dating
fucking
you-
control freak to another level. Like, this sort of. Yeah, that sort of.
Right, but like if someone's choosing to date you, like they know,
They know
what
who
they're
you are,
getting.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's the funny thing. They will love you for the way you are, and they want to come into your life, and they want to change you,
Oh,
and then they don't like you. Like
Right.
you know,
If they can't change it.
love me the way I am.
Yeah.
No, they change you. वो बदल देते हैं आपको because then you don't have friends, you can't go out क्योंकि आप सोचिए यार इसको बुरा लगेगा, इसको शायद सही नहीं लगेगा, तो आप उस चक्कर में you don't want to.
Yeah. You try and mold yourself around.
हाँ, and when you mold, you are sad. When
Yeah.
you know you are not happy, obviously you will change and you will throw certain reactions. And then the guy doesn't like you anymore. It's like तुम बदल गए हो ना बेटा बदला किसने?
So you've never found someone who's been like
No,
secure in himself.
no, No.
You're not seeing anyone now?
No.
No?
Single.
Okay. I mean,
And not ready to mingle.
you're taking a break.
It's good to take a break.
Yeah, you're in the same boat.
But
There's two ways you can go after a breakup.
Yeah.
One is either you're just
Yeah.
like, I'm done with everything. I want to focus on my career.
Actually, I am enjoying, but yeah, sometimes you do feel that, you know, कि यार काश मेरी भी life में, you know, कोई होता
कोई
जिसके
होता
बाद आप
to
घर
talk,
पे
yeah.
थक के जाओ, you know,
Yeah.
and just someone is there. So yeah, I miss that. Sometimes I do miss that. Yeah,
Yeah, or just someone to talk to.
Yeah, someone to talk to me.
that's all you need, na.
That is true.
Yeah, but then honestly, and you know, I mean, the life it is now, it's even okay to have a best friend. Obviously, you're not sleeping around and whatever, you know, but just a good friend who you just talk to,
Yeah.
you know, a girl or a guy, whatever. If even that is fulfilling that part of yours, because we all want to talk, na? Why do you think
Yeah.
people are going for therapy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They have no one to talk to.
Yeah,
So,
Why
you
do you
know,
think we
to listen to
started a podcast?
What?
Why do you think we started a podcast? just to
Just to talk.
just to avoid therapy.
And yeah, I think you guys are doing a brilliant job.
Arre, thank you. No, that is there. You need someone to talk to, but you also need affection, and you need
You need someone to look out
Obviously,
for and
na.
someone to
for
hold
someone,
you.
yeah, someone to hold
Someone
you.
to.
Or for you to hold.
Someone to do what?
Hi, Hugo.
Hi, Yugo.
Can't believe Poonam is asking me this.
You forgot to say the full name. You have to take her full name every time
Poonam
we take
Pandey is
her.
asking me this.
No, Yogo is in a different zone right now.
Yeah, I'm in a fun zone.
He's trying to have
It's good to be in
as
fun
much
zone.
fun.
Yeah.
That's that's easy.
They are watching this.
It's easy. It's easy. I mean, I don't know. I haven't met anyone that I want to be with.
Oh, you're single too?
Yes.
You?
We are all single.
Yeah.
All of us.
Kyun?
For the reasons mentioned. Yeah, we just haven't met.
It's thoda.
There's so many dating apps, or there's so many.
But those apps
we-
are very turning off.
We don't
Like-
do dating apps.
You know, I actually even thought of trying
have
that,
money
but
though, so-
himmat nahi ki meri.
These dating apps have money, so let's
So
say
we
good things
like
about
we
them.
like all dating apps.
See, I think I haven't
Brand
met
deals.
someone because I haven't used a dating app yet. So
Me neither. And I always think, you know, ki, nahi, Poonam, let's give it a try. But then I'm like, no.
No,
Isn't
yeah,
there a
same.
dating app for like celebrities?
I have no idea. But
Really?
good
There is
question.
one.
I'm going to check that.
I think there is.
There is one.
there is.
You
There
should.
is
We won't
one?
name drop here, but we'll tell you about it later.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Thank you for the information.
I think they will
guys.
let.
We aren't on it.
We are not allowed on
We're
it.
not
yet.
allowed on it.
But you get on, you get on it and tell us.
Yeah,
what's
yeah,
happening.
You get on it and tell us what it's like.
क्या scene है?
कौन कौन है वहाँ पे?
Then you send us an invite.
ये देख क्यों?
Send us screenshots. है, ये भी है.
Oh shit, did you know?
Yeah.
I was just gonna take a name, but then I remembered I'm in front of the camera.
We'll bleep it.
We'll bleep it. We can bleep it.
Leave it. Leave it.
She doesn't trust.
छोड़ो
Yeah, she
यार।
doesn't trust us.
नहीं यार वो वैसी बात नहीं वो नाम भी नहीं ले सकते I just also remembered the guys in the relationship तो खैर छोड़ो
And he's on this app.
नहीं है नहीं अरे मैंने सोचा it was a
Oh,
joke
okay,
but
okay,
हाँ
okay.
that's fine
क्या
okay.
होगा? It's just another controversy.
Yeah.
Like, just one more. Yeah. Just one more
another
to
another-
tell.
controversy.
just another lawsuit.
And it's just you wake up every like you waking up
छोटी बहन को और एक केस आएगा सॉल्व करते हैं.
Sorry.
नहीं यार वो बेचारी she must be hating me right now she does lawyer Poonam lawyer
Lawyers are good. I think they do pretty well.
dude she's doing that's what quite awesome she's a compliance officer by the way corporate law yeah brilliant दिन के 5,000 पेपर कौन पढ़ता है
Yeah, dude. Just.
and after that she comes home and she reads a book and like how
Oh my
how मैंने 10 रील देख लिया तो मेरा दिमाग घूम जाता है how I mean I love reading but no 5,000 papers in a day no
And it's not like fun.
Yeah, it's not reading.
Reading
You're-
can be fun.
you're
You're reading
studying
a
that.
chart sheet or something.
Yeah.
yeah
like,
that's what she goes through and how amazing is that and she's just what 26 27 Bravo.
It's a lot of
Yeah.
work.
Yeah. What
I
do you
don't know.
think you'd be doing if you weren't like doing all of this? As a job or like in life?
You know, someone asked me this question, not now, a few years back. मैंने झूठा आंसर दिया था
Hmm.
Yeah, I've been this and but today, now that you're asking me, I can't see anything else.
Anything else?
कुछ नहीं दिखता.
Hmm.
है ही क्या? For me, camera has been. I've been very close to camera. You know, मतलब मेरा बस चले तो I would fucking make out with the camera. Like I'm that close to the camera. Seriously, I know it sounded too stupid, but you know, I'm that close. Looking into that lens is just a high for me.
Yeah.
You know, so
You feel comfortable.
a lot. Camera is like
That's the opposite of so many people because as soon as you point the camera on
They-
them, they're just like,
They're just so camera
Go into a
conscious.
you know,
Yeah.
I'm talking to you guys so openly because the camera on here.
yeah.
Yeah.
वरना मैं बात भी नहीं करती इतना. I'm not joking.
It's usually the opposite. So
And
that's
mine
very
Yeah,
is
it's the
ulta.
opposite with everyone.
So when I go out in parties,
Yeah.
You don't.
I'm an introvert.
Mm.
I go in a corner because I can see all these guys coming in. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's
Now
up?
they know the trick. Now they'll come with their phone camera. चलो बात करते हैं.
And they will see all
Suddenly, diva mode.
diva mode.
He'll just hold the phone here.
It's like the subway surfer wala. That it's in front
नहीं,
camera.
selfie camera. देखो. Look at yourself. Oh God. Oh God, that'd be funny. I hope nobody does that to me.
Don't be surprised if someone.
You'll
does
know
it.
where they got the
Yeah, a
idea
lot
from.
of people are going to watch this. So
They'll get the idea from there.
As long as the guy is awesome, I don't mind.
what do you look for
Haan,
in a
this
guy?
is something even I wanted to know.
What makes a guy awesome?
Yeah.
He should know how to cook vada pav.
Okay.
He should.
all the eligible.
One box
भाई
ticked.
बहुत बड़ा category like it's a huge market.
Add one more filter.
एक filter
हाँ,
लगा
एक
देना.
filter लगा
Yeah,
दे
he should
please.
know how to cook vada. He should love my boy, my son Caesar.
Okay.
He should know how to cook, of course. हाँ. Insecure ना हो.
That's the main.
That was the biggest filter.
Looks. फर्क नहीं पैंदा. Guy is a guy. If the guy is good, the guy is good. As simple as that.
You don't care
And
about
वैसे भी
looks
मेरे
at
को
all.
वो एकदम typical good looking ना. I think it's very annoying.
Mm.
Yeah, it's very annoying. Even the way they talk now, I don't like.
Yeah.
It's like too like, oh, what's up, babe? Like, hello, like, bhai, आराम से बात कर.
Okay, but like physical attraction needs to be there, no? Like you should be attracted.
You
to-
will get it, no? If you're liking the guy, obviously. Yeah.
I think this is a little different between
Yeah.
guys and girls.
First, I think you need physical attraction.
I mean, I think for guys it's a bigger deal. I think so. Because
No, what's a bigger deal?
like physical attraction, that is like more for girls. It may be more like if I like the guy
yeah.
as a person.
I suppose because we get so many options out there, na?
Yeah.
They all are after us. So we look for love. We look for someone who will care for us.
Mm.
Because it's literally they all want to get into your pants. So it's very, very difficult and you have to always be alert. You have to always be aware, you know, कि कहीं कुछ नहीं हो जाए, you know. So hence, yeah, that protective sort of a man. Now that man maybe won't be that good looking, but that man will love you. So we want that love.
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
guys will to say anything to.
That's exactly what I was saying a minute ago to
anything,
get into, you know.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Your favorite color is blue. Mine also.
What a coincidence.
I've never thought
You like
about
what
that.
I like?
Yeah, we have so much in common.
Yeah. Let's go to Starbucks. I like Starbucks.
I'm a Scorpio actually.
Yeah.
Bro.
Oh, are you like an astrology? I wanted to say the word, but
No.
No,
No.
no, no. I
okay,
mean,
then that's
no.
I used to like reading it for fun.
हाँ वो
It's
मैंने भी
until it
किया है
came true.
बचपन में एक न्यूज़पेपर के वो पीछे का
वही, वही।
वो
वही ना
सबका
से
रहता है.
हाँ वो पढ़ती थी मैं और मैंने वो जब पढ़ा है वो सब कुछ उल्टा ही हुआ है उस दिन तो आई डोंट बिलीव
This gives you hope. You're like, अच्छा ये हो जाएगा मेरे
So
साथ.
usually
आज का दिन
nice
आपका बहुत
things.
अच्छा
They
जाएगा
always write nice
आज
things.
आपके 2 डील्स क्रैक होंगे
And
नहीं,
that is to say
मेरा
what
तो नहीं
colors to
होता।
wear and what colors to
मैंने वो
avoid.
सब किया कुछ नहीं होता
कुछ
है
नहीं होता है।
नहीं
They used to give lucky numbers also. I'm like, ये number मैं use कैसे करूँ अभी? Like, where do I use it? And how do I use it?
I would to spend that money कि इतने ही पैसे नहीं nothing happens so.
Yeah.
I mean depends on different astrologers. There are some astrologers that the stories that I've heard, it's quite shocking. So yes, there is an energy like that. That they
Yeah.
do read, they do
Yeah.
understand those things. So there are two people, of course. एक अपने market के लिए करते हैं और एक genuinely भी होती हैं. तो maybe I must have not met the genuine.
I'm
person.
not sure about astrology, but there's this other kind of like psychic things that people do, and some of it is like I've heard stories. Same, I've heard stories ki they said this thing and it was like very accurate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that I'm like, okay,
Are
how
these
do-
anecdotal or these are?
I'll tell you one thing. When we were before we moved to India from Iran, my mom had gone to one of these people as a joke, like with one of her friends. They were like, "It'll be fun. We'll go." And she goes, as soon as my mom says, she's like, "What is happening? Why is there so much chaos? Why are you guys packing? Where are you going?" And there was no like news or there was like nothing of us moving to India. The week after that, my dad calls my mom. He's like, "Oh, we're moving to India. We have to go there." So that was just like,
So basically, that dude knew what was
That-
happening.
yeah, he's like, "You guys are, some transition is happening. Why are you guys packing? What is happening?" So something like that. So I was like, okay, that is a little too accurate.
Apparently, they can tell your present and your past very
Yeah.
accurately.
Hmm.
Future, obviously, no one can tell.
Past to,
है ऐसे ऐसे interesting लोग हैं.
Should
Yeah.
meet someone.
some
like that.
people take you to your past life also.
Oh yeah,
हाँ वो मुझे नहीं पता.
that used to come on TV. I remember. Amir Khan used to do one show.
That wasn't past
वो
life.
hands वाला भी
नहीं
कुछ
यार,
है
वो
ना?
past life नहीं था
There was
यार.
one.
Satyamay Vajayata.
हाँ
Then in that there was probably
सत्यमेव
one
जयते.
episode in which some dude went in his past life.
Come
Or I
on,
made
bro.
up this memory as a child.
This sounds.
Maybe
This
it's something
sounds
from
more
your
like-
past life.
From my past life. Because I remember there was this one episode, at least on TV, that I remember where this dude goes into his past life. And they had made visuals around it.
Rajiv Khandelwal.
See, someone used to do it.
They went into the past.
Yeah, and this dude is like, नहीं मुझे कुत्ता दिख रहा है, मुझे बिल्ली दिख रही है. And he's like, I'm running. They're like, then what happens? And like, that's all that I remember. There was something like that happened.
You know, I've read few articles and you know that this lady, I don't remember her name right now, and when she was born, she was like 10-year-old and she was, you know, saying कि मेरा गाँव उधर है, मेरा घर उधर है, मैं वहाँ पे I got married and all.
When they went and
And
traced,
then it
yeah.
was accurate. So yeah, these things do exist.
What?
I mean, if
it's
that
happened
if,
with a relative
yeah,
of mine.
Yeah,
That is spooky.
yeah.
No, maybe it isn't some part of your memory which isn't like unlocked, and those people help you unlock that part. I don't know.
No, but like there's this some
you
relative of
मेरे पास
ours.
तो इतनी सारी memories होगी, मुझे उसको unlock करना ही नहीं है. तो भाई past में
Locked it and kept it.
That's why we don't go
खुश
for
हूँ.
therapy.
I'm happy.
What kind of memories are these that you want to hide them? Like,
Hide मुझे
Lock
पता ही
them.
नहीं है.
She doesn't remember. them.
I obviously
Yeah.
like I don't know. All I'm saying that I've enough memories for now. So yeah,
Yeah.
I'm happy.
did you like party a lot when you had just started modeling and like?
No.
No,
No.
never.
No. In fact, the funny thing is, because I was still an introvert, it was very difficult for me to have any sort of conversation.
Mm.
Because when you're quiet,
Yeah.
they judge you from every angle, you know, like, "Ki kyun chup hai?" Like, you know, either she's egoistic or, you know, like attitude throw kar rahi hai. And I was like, I'm this बच्चा. I was like, कि क्या बात करूं मैं, मुझे पता ही नहीं क्या बात करना है. I was naive to another level, but yeah.
So you've never been like.
I mean, I do party, of course.
now.
Fuck yeah. I mean, we all do. Like, what's harm in that? We work so much, and yeah, we go out, we meet our friends, we do all that. Yeah, there is no harm in going out and meeting our friends.
Oh, you need that release.
Of
every
course.
Once in a while.
Yeah.
And now, are you social or are you still like very?
I can say I'm social, not like a party
Yeah.
freak. No, I can't do that because I get up every morning at 6:30, 7:30 a.m. So I'm a very early person and I sleep quite early. So I'm in bed by 10:30. नहीं 10:30 बहुत 11:30 तक watching Netflix and all वो चालू गया and I pass out. Yeah.
It's very disciplined life.
Yeah, is this like you've been
Yeah,
doing
because
this?
I have to work out in the morning, then my
Yeah.
acting workshop. I have a lot of things to do. So yeah.
Nice.
For us, we sleep only at like 4.
Now we're in that. Yeah, we're
4.
in a
हाँ,
very
ठीक है.
bad.
Yeah.
See, it's not कि अगर आप 4 बजे सो रहे हो तो आप discipline नहीं हो.
हाँ.
By the way, that
Yeah.
is not the entire thing.
That's not the definition of discipline.
No.
But
no.
we're not disciplined.
We are definitely
हाँ
not.
तो
I'm
ठीक
just
है ना, तो भी कोई problem नहीं है. As long
हाँ.
as you guys are happy in whatever you are doing, that's all it matters.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Yeah.
let's leave it up. Yeah.
No, a lot of people thrive in chaos also.
Yeah.
So like some people's just life is like that. It's just super chaotic, but they get shit done. Some people are more disciplined. I would like to be there someday where I'm waking up at a certain
Yeah,
time,
I mean that's ideal.
working out, because that's only good for
It
you.
feels good.
Yeah.
You feel good about yourself.
Yeah.
Feel proud about yourself.
How long
I'm
have you
like-
been working out for?
Past few years, I can say.
They were proper.
We haven't gone months also yet, dude. Like just working out regularly.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
नहीं ऐसा phases में आता
Phases में
जाता
it
है.
comes.
ठीक है ना, तुम लोग अभी 25 ना है. But अभी जल्दी चालू कर दो.
Yeah.
27, 28 start.
Yeah. You slowly now.
Maybe you'll get nice girlfriends.
Maybe.
है ना?
What girls
Yeah,
like.
but jacked.
Oh yeah, a lot of them. Oh my god, lot of them. मतलब when I'm out with my girlfriends, one hot guy passes, they all like pura look at it, so hot, and like dude, chill. You know why are you behaving like this?
No, I think when you see a fit person, it's also that quality of them taking care of themselves that is super attractive.
That is discipline.
Yeah. Rather than just the body itself. This body to
Imagine a tomato here. Think, wow, वो क्या discipline है?
is that like a turn off for you? Someone who's
Fuck yes.
She just said looks doesn't matter, and then she said,
Yeah,
"Fuck
but
yes."
that
not-
doesn't mean
not
that
bad.
You don't
कि-
look
Not-
after yourself.
Yeah.
Just fair enough, man. If someone,
Yeah.
what?
If someone doesn't want that, it's okay.
No, I get
Yeah,
it.
that's.
What other criteria is there? Like
नहीं, बस इतना ही है मेरे भाई.
age
Yeah.
and all.
Huh?
What about age? Like,
Age.
would you date someone younger?
I don't mind.
How
But I
much
haven't-
younger?
How young?
ये देखो
Like what's the
देखो
minimum?
दोनों ने पूछा. I was gonna say how much older would you go?
Older तो ठीक है.
हाँ, maybe by 26, 27, yeah.
20,
Yeah.
27, 26.
So
In 2
close.
years.
ठीक है भाई. it's okay, fine. You know what? I gotta start working out.
He'll work on himself.
Yeah, let me.
ठीक है, मैं wait करूँगी.
No, but like how would you respond to like a 25-year-old like hitting on you? Like would you?
Oh, that has happened quite recently, in fact, in my building.
And
So I will not name my society.
please don't.
So in my so every you can't go कोई भी floor पे. You have to press
I already
certain
know this
button.
society.
Press certain button. You can only go to that specific floor.
Okay.
So one day when my staff went, I was like कि तुम लोग बहुत काम के जाओ, तुम लोग घूम के आओ. So it was just me and my Pitty, Caesar.
Mm.
We just hanging out, chilling out, and then all of a sudden my doorbell rang. I'm like, who's at my door? I haven't called anyone.
Yeah.
I mean, there I seen my the screen, the monitor. There's some young guy, obviously your age.
Mm.
I was like, who is this? A very, very cute looking guy. Very cute looking guy. I was like, who is this guy at my door? So I asked दरवाजा बंद करके मैंने पूछा like, who are you? What do you want?
Mm.
The guy, नहीं वो कुछ तो है, कुछ लीकेज है, कुछ हो रहा है, and I would just want to check कि कि why is
Yeah, why
this
is he so
person?
abrupt?
Like a plumber.
It's hilarious. It's
Pretending to be a plumber.
That's not a.
That's not how it works. We have to tell him.
And all,
That doesn't work.
and all I'm thinking, this beautiful, sweet guy. thinking leakage. I opened the door. But he was like just looking at me. I was like, yeah. I was like, what do you want? He's like, Poonam Pandey. I was like, yeah. Can I click a selfie? I was like, how did you get in here? Like,
Yeah.
first tell me that. I want to know that. No, I live in the same building. I was like, yeah, but how did you
Yeah.
manage? हाँ मैं सीढ़ियाँ लेके आया मेरा वाह. So of course I clicked a picture with him and yeah, he's also a good friend, but he tried.
he's watched too many
Yeah,
videos.
he's
actually.
like-
Watched too many videos where the plumber took work.
Plumber.
Yeah,
Next time he's gonna come as a pizza
शक्कर
delivery
खत्म हो
boy.
गया, चाय खत्म हो गया, कुछ something
at
relatable.
least something Indian.
Yeah.
Yeah, he should have like yeah.
Gas leak.
थोड़ा देसी बनाया रहता था.
Come on, bro.
So what, your friends now?
As in, not friends, but yeah, I had to speak to him politely, nicely. I did my job, but yeah.
But he wasn't hitting on you. He just wanted to like see you. I think.
Yeah,
But that's
I
so
like-
weird, bro.
It is weird.
Like he's
ठीक
gone
है.
out of his way to come to our house.
ठीक है. I mean, I see, as long as they don't have any,
Malicious intent,
then I can, we all can handle. So
Yeah.
yeah.
ठीक है, see.
और ठीक है ना, fan है, अगर प्यार से है, कोई problem नहीं.
हाँ. और वो ही है, थोड़ा invasion हो
It's
जाता
the
है.
safety.
हाँ, वो तो है,
aspects
of
that-
course.
Yeah.
Yeah.
वो तो है, of course. But ठीक है. I mean, I opened
मतलब
the
इतना
door.
प्यार से आया था.
Plumber.
Leakage ठीक करने.
देखने आया था.
You should have actually taken him to the bathroom and showed him like ये ठीक
ये
है.
leak हो रहा था. आपको कैसे पता था?
And then
Should I just imagine that?
And left Caesar in the bathroom with him. गांड पड़ जाती है उसकी.
कुछ ज्यादा ही.
he can't fix it also. He doesn't know.
Like जब तक fix नहीं होता, you're not coming out.
Oh god.
Yeah. What about Zomato, Swiggy guys when they come? Do they also?
Yeah, they click selfies.
They click
I
pictures.
like it. I like
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
For them, it's like, oh shit, कि आज मैं.
Yeah,
Yeah.
अरे
पूनम पांडे के
आप
घर गया था.
आप वही पूनम पांडे.
आपको तो-
हाँ, मैं वही पूनम पांडे हूँ.
आपको तो देखा हुआ.
रोज देखता हूँ.
आपको तो कल ही देखा था मैंने.
कल रात को ही देखा
So he's trying to stop me. He's like,
There's no.
Amin goes मैंने आपको.
Yeah.
I just hope कोई मेरे पास वैसे नहीं आ जाए वीडियो कॉल के यहाँ पे.
मैं बस check कर रहा हूँ, confirm करो ना. अब यही हो ना.
that's a bit much.
Oh god, that was fun.
But that doesn't feel weird to you, like where someone's like, I've seen your work, and then
Why to feel weird about
I
it?
mean, not weird, but like it doesn't. You're like, oh, you've seen
That's
me.
my profession. I'm proud of it. And I do it so gracefully.
Yeah.
Problem क्या है,
I think for average people like us, it's so hard to like even like.
I'm ahead of your time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That we learned.
That day, actually, the three of us were discussing if any of our pictures got leaked, like let's say nude pictures, what would be the worst thing that'll happen?
Nothing.
कुछ नहीं होगा.
कुछ नहीं होगा. Because
As
I-
the family relatives,
Yeah.
they will
And what will they also
stop
tell you,
talking
bro?
to your mom, or they
Yeah.
will start judging you. अरे उसका बेटा तो अरे देखा हे राम राम मतलब
Yeah.
कैसे
Yeah.
वो सब होगा. Yeah.
Yeah, but what other consequences?
Zehari
Like, real-
There's no
relatives.
consequence to it.
Getting a normal job is hard, I think, once your dick is out in the.
But you're not. If it's leaked, then
Wait a
there's
second.
nothing that.
Why would you want a normal job if you're taking something?
Yeah, then you have to capitalize.
Yeah, you have to
bro.
capitalize on that.
नहीं,
No.
right.
Yeah.
Go in that.
उसके बाद तू जाएगा पहले बिग बॉस पे. That's step
Very
one.
well said.
Step
Very
one.
well said.
फिर उसके बाद you'll start making reels. You'll start a career. It's like that.
Then
There
you're
is a
making
trajectory
nice
there
ads
also.
with different
Yeah.
girls. You know?
Oh, you were on Lockup, and
Yeah.
that was like that show तो blew up to.
Oh, you watched?
We used to get clips because the videos were everywhere. And now, before recording, also yesterday I was watching on YouTube.
Okay.
Well, how is that living with so many people? And
Fuck. That was in the beginning because मैं किसी को नहीं जानती थी अंदर. Literally nobody in person, nobody. But then that show, because it was the first season, I don't know, but that show was actually, it was quite comforting in a lot of ways. I would say that. We all would help each other. We all would fight with each other. 3 months, जैसे big family के साथ आप रहते हो ना, तो it was pretty much like that. We would do tasks. Of course, मेरे तो बहुत झगड़े होते थे, and me being Mufat, I would sunav back. So yeah, but apart from all the bullshit, there was a lot of greatness that I've I mean, so when I was doing this show, I just got out of a relationship that moment. Just, you know, and I was like, stayed, you know, with this person for like 4 years. Not a lot of friends, not stepping out, not a lot of work. So I was like, okay, what the fuck to do now? Abhi kya? And break up karke, just getting out. And then I'm like, now what? And then that fucking week, I get a call from Endemol. You know, that we have a reality show and we really want you on board. First of all, it's a prank call.
Yeah.
ऐसा कि मुझे कोई याद नहीं कर रहा है. Like, you know, and and I don't want to go out on the street. I don't want to be naked on the. I don't want to do that. हो गया, मतलब whatever I do, I do that. ठीक है, but so I get a call. I go and I meet, and yeah, I've ended up doing this show. So first I thought I might just stay in there for 15 days, but I was in there for 3 fucking months. To the point that even now, all those people are my best friends. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
At the end, we all have
Yeah.
our own stories, na. Hero to hum sabhi hai, no doubt.
True.
We all are in our own ways. But yeah, that's what life is.
yeah, because now the 6 of us live here together, and it's like
तो यहाँ लॉकअप होता है.
हाँ झगड़ा होता है, ये होता है, वो होता है, like there is tension amongst everyone, but that is so like recorded also and people are watching also, so it's like it's a different level only altogether.
It's all an experience.
I mean, must have been like, do you, when you're in that environment, do you feel like, okay, the cameras are on, so I need to do something, or you just try to be yourself and
I was this. It is too, you know, it is too much of hard work to. I mean, there are people who do that in
that's why I'm
reality
asking.
shows.
Yeah.
A
Like
lot
people
of
start
them.
performing.
Like 99% of them. They all, like, camera चालू होते ही वो अलग हो जाते हैं.
Yeah.
But for me, I mean, if I would look at a reality show, then you have, it's a fucking reality show. You know, get your personality out. If that's interesting enough, that's why they've hired you for that job. You know, and maybe if you're a cunning mind, then maybe you get that personality out. And, you know, so again, that's who you are.
Yeah. There are people who are playing games also. Huh? Like,
Yeah, but maybe that's the kind of
That's
that
their
person
nature.
is. उनको जीतना है उतने उससे. See, again, I mean, it would be very wrong of me to say, you know, कि जीतने के लिए मतलब यार ठीक है, लेकिन honestly करने दे.
It's a show,
करने
right?
दे.
It's a show. and-
अभी उसको कनिंग बन के जीतना है, उसको कुछ भी करके जीतना है, तो let that person do it.
But अगर किसी का true nature is like cunning or
See, but that's where, you know, my true nature is not cunning. I
Yeah.
can't be a cunning person. And a lot of people have told me that. I would be a muffat. If I don't like something, I will tell you right on your face. But I don't keep anything in my heart कि इसको मैं 1 साल के बाद देखूंगी. I can't do, I don't have that much of time for anyone. But yeah, there are people like that. Like half of the fucking society is like that. That you have to be so respectful. गलती से भी किसी को कुछ बोल दो. And you would never know that the person was your best friend or वो, you know, yeah. So have to be careful.
But अगर कोई cunning बन के जीत रहा है and everyone is like supporting
तो
them, it's
जीतो,
like
तो जीतो. There is no wrong. There is no wrong in being cunning. There is no wrong in being anything.
In a show.
It's a
in
show.
a show.
It's
Yeah.
on camera.
Yeah. If you can put on an act for 3 months, then good for you.
Why not?
Yeah.
नहीं, but अगर वो ऐसा कर रहा है तो that means in real life also they must ऐसा, how are you so good at it suddenly?
Dude, we are such an amazing species. Like seriously, you know, nobody is that Sundar Tikau.
Yeah.
है ना? And we all know that, including me.
What is tikau?
Like nice.
Sustainable.
Sustainable.
Yeah.
Sustainable. Yeah.
It's like a saying, Sasta Tikau.
Sasta tikau is like good.
No.
Sasta tikau.
Sasta Tikau is actually good, not cheap and
Like
sustainable.
give me an example of Sasta tikau.
Wait, how do we give him an example of Sasta Tikau?
Are you Sasta tikau? Dude, you say
Yeah,
Would you
maybe.
say you're a Sasta tikau person?
Sasta tikau. My
Like
rubber.
high
le le.
maintenance.
Rubber is a sasta tikau.
Rubber?
Yeah.
Which
Why are we
rubber?
talking about?
I don't know. We can,
Okay. Anyway.
We're talking about rubber with Poonam Pandey.
Eraser, you mean?
Eraser.
Eraser.
Rubber is something
means
else.
something else.
Yeah,
Yeah.
rubber means something else. It means condom, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
The word condom made you laugh. How old are you? bro?
So taboo.
I didn't laugh at that.
You laughed as soon as she said condom.
No, I said I don't say rubber.
हाँ.
What the fuck?
हाँ ठीक है ना.
Yeah.
It's condom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's
Yeah.
big deal about it?
School में सब बोलते थे rubber for eraser.
Yeah.
I don't think anyone
अच्छा,
knew.
ठीक है.
No children knew at that
हम
point.
लोग
Condoms.
Use.
Use condoms.
Be
though.
safe.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Would you advise?
what?
what sort of a question is this?
Actually, मतलब मैं भी, but हाँ, मतलब why not?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have to be safe, no?
You have
Yeah.
to be. I've heard too many stories.
Yeah.
I have heard too many stories too.
I don't want that call. नहीं चाहिए bro. मेरे को नहीं चाहिए वो call. It's like I don't want to say.
Okay,
I'll
तुम
be
बाप
here for
बनने वाले
you.
हो.
हाँ.
You've got those calls.
I don't want it.
Huh.
So
You don't want.
yeah, I know like guys around our age, like I talk to people and like some people they're just against using it. They're like, no, I don't want to use.
Okay, let's not talk about those guys here.
Yeah. They're like, oh, whatever. Anyway, I was like, जब call आएगा, then you know. Like then you know when to. Anyway, on that note,
Yeah. This was episode 69, by the way.
Okay.
yeah,
This is a special.
yeah.
We're giving her a disclaimer.
No,
No.
By the
no,
way.
like the number.
हाँ मुझे पता है.
हाँ,
It's
हाँ.
my favorite number too.
Yeah.
Okay.
We actually had saved it.
Yeah,
Awesome.
we are actually on episode 112.
So we
But
did 68 and we left out
We
69.
did 68,
Yeah.
then 70.
Are you
So,
serious?
Yes.
If you,
And
if
we
you
have
go
saved
through,
it for you.
if you
Yes,
if
that's
you
why
go
I
through our
said
catalog,
This
it's
is going to get a lot of
Episode
numbers, you guys,
68.
by the way.
Yeah.
yeah,
Oh,
it's
Lord.
68, 70, and then now
Yeah.
we're going back to 69.
Thanks for the numbers. Thanks
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thanks
much.
for being here. This was actually a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
me too. I enjoyed.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sure.
Good.